Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hotwood, South Birmingham. Every now and again we get a real star of the show. To me, this is the car, this is the one I'd buy. Jaguar XF 3-litre diesel S, 275 brake horsepower portfolio, automatic. 69,000 miles, one lady owner from new. Full Jaguar service history. £3,775 worth of extras on top of a portfolio S, very rare, and the right extras in my opinion. Cam belt replaced, just gets better and better by Jaguar at 59,000 miles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Jaguar services. All this for £10,995. What a car! Italian racing red with ivory leather. Very, very nice colour scheme. Nice miles, Jaguar history, cam belt done, doesn't need a service. 2 keys, one lady owner from new. Now, ACC adaptive cruise control with emergency braking function. So this will follow the car in front, slow down, speed up, and put the brakes on for you. Rare on an XF, even a portfolio. Reverse camera, rear park sensors, black signature blade diffuser under the rear bumper. Very, very, very nice. Blind spot monitoring, brilliant. Now the other expensive option, adaptive front headlights with cornering function. Come on and off for you, main beam, dip beam, that sort of thing, which is great news. You want that on a real prestige car like this. And cornering lights as well. Keyless entry, see the little squares on there, little orange dot there in the mirror, that's your blind spot monitoring. Piano black inside with ivory. Wow, fitted Jaguar mats, comfort, memory, heated, chilled, electric sports seats. Don't get any better than that. Dynamic button down there for your sports modes, multifunction steering wheel with paddles, electronic steering column, extra speaker up there for the 825 watt MERIDIAN HIFI, sat nav Bluetooth DAB radio, MERIDIAN HIFI with Dolby sound and other modes, like it's never been sat in, as it should be. Beautiful, beautiful. Got the portfolio carpet mats edged with the ivory banding. Beautiful. In the boot, S badge hasn't gone discoloured, very unusual. Reverse cameras up under there. Spotless in the boot. Obviously space saver, spare wheel, jack wheel brace, toolkit, wheel locking key. Got MERIDIAN on the rear speakers because it's the big hi-fi in the portfolio. 20-inch alloys, all shod in Dunlop Sport tyres. Fantastic. One lady owner from new. Cam belt done. Full Jaguar history. I mean, where do we find them? Does not come any better than this. I would buy this car. Daytime running headlamps. There's your MERIDIAN sound speakers. Electric mirrors, folding mirrors, heated mirrors. There's the memories for the driver, electric seat, steering wheel with the S badge on. Just clocked up 70,007 miles. Last serviced at Jaguar at 65,000 miles. 8 or 9 Jaguar services including the cam belt. Piano black. Lovely driver's seat, not worn out. Show you the reverse camera. It's a beautiful thing. There you go, reverse camera. They don't get any clearer than that. Lovely. And yeah, so you get Dolby, DTS, Dolby Pro Logic and MERIDIAN surround sound. Extra connectivity in there. What a beautiful, beautiful thing. 2 keys, £10,995. Just been MOT'd for a year. Can't fault it. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other Jaguars in stock. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. Head over there. Over 2,000 car videos we've produced over the last 2 years. You can thumb through those. You can watch this video over and over again on our YouTube channel. And if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you get a notification every time we have a fresh car come in. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we've had that car. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.